Saan niya nalaman pangalan ko eh? Tanungin mo nga. Tangina eh. Baka mamaya malaman ko eh. May kwento pala ako. Eh, paano niya nga ako nalaman yung pangalan ko? Oo, yun nga. Pero ba't alam niya pangalan ko? Kasi wala akong binabanggit ha. Wala akong shota, gago. Sino shota ko? Gago, ulol. Tanga, di ko yun shota.
The enemy is picking.
Gago, nakita mo ako ay, tangina. Uy, gago, parang ilang linggo kang di kita nakita, promise.
Do you want to make friends with Nana?
Please pick a hero.
Nagpasok ka pala kanina. Nagpasok pala yun kanina. Hindi ko nakita eh.
The night sky tells all.
Gago yung mata ko kanina, kulay blue.
Friendship is a magic string that
The
binds us
enemy
together.
is picking.
Decline nga. Yap. Tawag dito. Gago, first time ko mag-ano kanina. Contact lens. Kulay blue. Tangina.
The ocean is not just our home. It is who we are.
Class is in session,
Your
so do
team is
behave.
picking.
First rule around here, break all the rules.
Oo, malamang. Tangina, shoota ko daw yun. Tana, ex ko na yun eh, gago. Hindi, gago. Iba kasi ang
Starlight of
inatong-tukoy
Pisces
niya.
shines
Enemy
on
is
my
picking.
sword.
Yung ex. Hindi, iba kasi yung tanga. Yun kasi yung tropa ko lang yun. Yung sabi niya kasi yung ex ko.
Butterfly is born by thy wish. Guided
Gago yung ex
by
ko na yun.
lantern's
Tanga na
light.
may babae sa boarding house. Karaugot. Gago. Tanga, sabi niya ka-boarding niya yung babae. Pero putik. Eh di sana may sariling kwarto yun. Parang tayo, ba't sila nakaupo sa higaan magkasama? Hello, Pira?
Welcome to Mobile Legends.
Ano?
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them.
Yeah, walang kung saan yun.
Let's go all out.
Saan? Tangin na wala akong alam na lugar. Yeah.
You can never have too
Hindi
many
ko na alam yun.
friends.
Ano naman? Tropa ko lang naman yun. Oo nga, tang yan. Eh gago, alam mo baka maging kaklase kita next sem. Tayo magalipat ako sa section nila next sem. Yung GB. Oo, gago. Ay, mga middle.
High pace life.
Ako naman. Kay Nate Mat.
Super cute adventure?
jungle.
Ang ina.
Enemy battle spell on CD.
Every day can be a happy adventure.
Hirap
with your
yan.
friends.
Okay na. Sumabit. Eh. Ang gogo.
I wonder how many apples tall I am. Bam!
Enemy reached level 4. Enemy reached level 4.
Ay, Lay, naglaro kami kanina. Ito mga pinili mo. Ano?
Impressive.
Great play.
Has been slain.
Oo.
Well played.
Okay,
Has
sige.
been slain.
Kwento mo yan. Ano?
A cute bow will look good on you.
Yung ano? Ah, si Art. Okay. Kwento mo. Yung college ba? Mag-ano ba? Dito.
It's not so hard as baking
Nagsusuot sa
cookies.
ba ng wika? Ay, di ka taga-Clarendon? Ay,
Dr. will be proud of me if he knows I made new friends.
Kambal.
Kitty's here.
Ally has been slain.
May kambal ka? Mhm. Mhm. Yemi.
You can never have too many friends.
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ako nag-ano ng sports. Minsan lang nga din ako nag-gaming.
I got this. It's not so hard as baking cookies.
May trabaho ako, baliw. Barista, tapos utang inang yan na naman. Nang nagkikito ako. Sino nagsabi? Ay.
Are you ready for a super cute
Stop.
adventure? Presto!
Nahirap lang ako.
What does an apple pie taste like?
Ano naman na yung
Dr. will be proud of me if he knows I made new friends.
Winspit ko naman ng kunyate na yun. Ang pangit ng Zushin dito, ba't mas...
Kitty's here.
Ally has been
Ulo.
Battle spell on CD.
Ay,
down. Killing spree. An enemy has been slain.
so Atlas lang. Pwede namang huwag mong pauli.
Every day will be a happy adventure with your friends.
An ally slain the turtle. Enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain.
Ano?
I wonder how many apples tall I am.
Kaya, kaya nga ako na-pressure kasi time salita ng salita sa akin.
Enemy ult on CD.
Buisit.
Our
Hindi
turret
na,
has been
sabi mo,
destroyed.
Ted, iba yung com sa asar ha.
Our turret is under attack.
A cute bow will look good on you.
Gago. Ginawa namin Eric.
Launch attack. Ally has been killing spree.
Okay.
Presto!
An enemy has been slain. Okay. Launch attack. Our turret has been
Ay, gago.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Grabe. Ang ganda nun.
Enemy battle spell on
Ally has
CD.
been slain.
I got this. It's not so hard as baking cookies.
Yan. Tawa ka pa.
Launch attack.
Basta pag ako
Our turret is
nagkatawa,
under
may
attack.
balik talaga.
Knows everyone's friend.
Hirap niyan.
Launch attack.
Yung iba, hmm.
Kitty's here.
Yung iba nga walang makain eh. Sige na. Malay mo eh.
Double kill. An enemy has been slain.
Balik yan.
Presto!
Ay, gago, may ano pa pala yun. Nice. Wala, okay lang yun. Kita mo namatay naman eh.
Every day can be a happy adventure when you're with friends.
Yan.
Mega kill. Initiate retreat.
Understood.
Ayun. Baka yan.
Gather up the Lord. Understood. Understood.
You can never have too many friends.
Launch attack. Slain Lord.
Kitty's here.
Impressive. Great play.
Launch attack.
Understood.
Wala yan.
Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
Putang ina.
Ally has been slain. Launch attack.
Magka-contact lens ulit ako bukas. Kulay blue na naman mata ko. Hayop na yun.
Launch attack. Okay.
Oo, boy. Kaya mo na yan.
Our turret is under attack. Launch attack. Slain.
Are you ready for a super cute adventure?
Your team destroyed a turret.
Maya kasi. Maya kasi yun. Maya.
Enemy has been slain.
Presto!
Shut down.
Kala ko nga bading na eh, gago. Kasi Lee yung pangalan. Uy, gago. Ngayon lang ako nakakitang Lee na lalaki.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Malupit to bro.
Slain an enemy. Killing spree.
Ano?
Our turret is under attack. Impressive. Great play. Your team destroyed a turret.
Nagapapit ka dun kay ano.
What does an apple pie
Enemy has
taste
been
like?
slain.
Sige. Baka ikaw yun.
Presto!
You have slain an enemy. Impressive. Well played. An enemy has been slain. Kitty team destroyed a turret.
Tama ha? Pa-report niya, Esme. Ha?
Has been slain.
I got this. It's not so hard as baking cookies. Presto!
Naging ano niya si tawag dito. MU.
Your team destroyed a turret. Impressive. Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat. Mega kill. Launch
Nice. Yung double na. Double. Sorry. Sorry. Tratado. Sorry. Sorry. Ala. Malapit na tol.
victory.
binds us together.